made it like kind of like in the middle area in the back, which is really nice because we get like a lot of like back space and we can just like plant our thing. Sure.
So I'm going to do a like what they provide kind of thing. So I think we got a pillow, a blanket, headphones, and this pouch. Every year their pouches change for some reason because last year I got like makeup products. Anyways, we have like slippers that look like pads. And toothpaste and a toothbrush. It's so cute. And then lastly we have water.
It is around 8:30 p.m. in Seoul. We finally got here and we took a shower, we ate dinner, and my grandparents are over at our house. And yeah. Hello.
알아서 백화점에 입점이 돼 있는 거면
Okay, here. Oh, we're at Daiso near our like house, and then there are so many cute things. Daiso is basically like items that are like $1 through I want to say $5. They're really cute.
It's basically like
Like
an
Dollar
American
Tree,
Dollar Tree and
but, like,
Five Below combined.
but 1,000 times
Asian
better.
version. Yeah.
1,000 times better. Way better. So we'll show you around. We have like makeup organizers here. These are like $3, $2.
I want
A lot of like
lash curler.
Ooh, oh no, those are like the mascara like lash curlers. I wonder if it works. They're really cool. Hello. So we're done from Lotte Mart and Daiso. We basically bought our basic necessities because we don't have that in our apartment.
We're
so
on our way, and I'll show Jess.
Good morning from Seoul. So it's around 8:20 a.m. here. I'm awfully tired, but we have a lot of things to do today. So first of all, we're going to the eye doctor and get our eyes checked because that's just like thing we do every time we come here. And then after that, I'm going to meet my friend Joy. We're going to the Gangnam like terminal to underground shopping center, and we're gonna shop for clothes because we literally don't have anything. Then I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'll keep you guys updated.
Oh my gosh, really?
Hello.
Yeah.
It's 11:38 right now, and we're getting food because technically in America, what? Oh wait,
It would be
12
nice.
p.m. Oh, a.m.
Whatever, we still eat that anyways.
Look at your mouth. So wait, Erica. Okay, so right now we're heading to food court.
We gotta get sushi.
Okay. So yeah, see you there.
Wait! So this is a continuation of Jessica, Erica, and Joy sequel from America, but instead it's in Korea.
Yeah, for today only.
Bye.
We are very hungry. Yeah, and there's actually so much to eat. See?
Yeah.
Oh, you lost Joy. 이게 무슨 만두예요?
So we got 4 dumplings in total, and then 2 of each, and this is the kimchi dumpling, and this is the meat.
Currently, we're at this like name sticker machine, and Joy, I'm pretty sure she wants like a princess one.
I mean, this is so cute, but I want this, but I also want this.
So this is cuter though. Click English.
Should I do in capital?
I did all capital. No, I did lowercase. Look at my stickers.
Stickers. Personalized by Joy Kim. If you want one, call me at 1004. 4,000 sold.
4,000.
Jessica, I've been like really it was like such a long. So she was like, it's 4,000. Guys, I'm wearing.
Oh, there's so many cute earrings. Actually, not that cute. I'm into very like the gem ones. 이거 마음에 들어. They're $10 though.
Are they worth? No.
I don't see anything.
Like these are like all $5. Like look how unique these ones are. Love everything, and they have a little bit of gold in here, so it's like you're not allergic to it either. Really cute. Trend right now is like wearing two different pieces, like these.
아, 네.
We're on the rooftop garden, and the view is amazing. The glass, ignore the glass, but the garden. And there's more stuff over there, so we're gonna go and check out the other parts of the garden.
Can I bring your phone out?
Yes.